is Janvi Panchal and today I'm going to tell you 5 things which will...
Hi, this is Janvi Panchal and I'm back again at Stop Expecting and Start Exploring. So what is the most thing which makes us feel sad? Yes, it is expectations. You know what? This world is ridiculous because एक मिनट पे कुछ और बोलती है, दूसरे मिनट पे कुछ और. अगर हम आँख बंद करके चलते हैं तो लोग बोलते हैं कि पाप किया है तो भुगतना तो पड़ेगा ही. If we keep our heads little high and we walk, people say that we are proudly. हम अभिमानी बन गए हैं. If we look here and there and we walk, people say that आंखें कहीं और चल रही है. You know what? एक मिनट पे कुछ और, दूसरे मिनट पे कुछ और. Don't expect. Instead, be independent and be happy. The most thing which makes us feel satisfied is being independent. So if you are independent, it's great. If you're not, search your fields, explore yourself. Don't wait for others to make you independent. Instead, be independent yourself. आशा बहुत बुरी है. आशा उसके पास रखो जिसके पास हम पहले से है और अंत में भी उनके पास ही जाएंगे. And that is God. Relationships with much closeness can make you feel sad if you make higher expectations. So don't expect. Instead, if you want to be happy, be independent. And the second stage is, if you want to be others happy, if you want to make other people satisfied, you have to be independent. And so the second stage will fulfill by its own. You know what? We expect from this world that when will this coronavirus will stop. But instead, expect from yourself. Expect that you are hygienic. Expect that you are healthy. So stay healthy and stay safe. Please support the police. Please support the doctors. And don't go out of your houses unless and until it is important for you to go out. Be in God's arms. Trust God. Pray for us. Pray for this world. Heal the world. Make it a better place for you and for me and the entire living race. I'll be back with some amazing videos. Till then, like, comment, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon on so that you can get the updates of this channel. Thank you so much.